Yo, what is up guys? It is Ben here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to start making money as a graphic designer online in 2021.
And if the world ever has an apocalypse, I will kill all of you fuckers. Fear will be plentiful, death will be bound.
Hey guys, before I start this video, I want to tell you guys that I'm going to be uploading a lot more on this channel, and I'm going to be doing a lot of videos in this kind of area of side hustles and how to make money as a kid and those things. So, you know, maybe subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Alright, thanks. Alright guys, so the first step to make money online as a designer is to start off free. So don't try to start off paid because you're not going to make any sales. Unless you have like really good work, I guarantee you, you're not going to make any sales. So by starting off free, you get some exposure for your page, because when you start off free and do free work for people, they're going to follow you and possibly even recommend you to their friends if your work is pretty good for free work. Alright, so step 2, host some kind of like giveaway or something. So I'm going to pop up on the screen a little tweet that I sent out about an hour ago about a little giveaway I'm going to do. So this will really help, you gain a following here. So I put in the giveaway, retweet so their followers see it, follow me so they see more tweets I send out, and tag 2 friends so those 2 friends will see the tweet and they could enter the giveaway, and then they'll tag 2 friends, and so on and so on. So it's a really good way to also grow. So basically the first step in all is just really growing your whole page so people hit you up for designs and stuff like that. Because without a following, no one's going to hit you up for paid work, and you're not going to be able to do anything because you're not going to want to trust someone. Well, let's say you were a buyer and you saw a guy with 10 followers, but he has really good work, but he doesn't have a lot of followers, not a lot of tweets, not a lot of people engaging with his tweets. Like, you're not going to want to buy from him because he's not trusted. You need to have a following as a designer so you seem trusted and so people can rely on you to deliver quality work and not just take your money and run away with it. So I would say you want to start doing free work and giveaways for about maybe a week into designing. So start off your design page with free work for a week and try to build a decent following, around 50 to 100 followers, just so you can have a little bit of following so you don't seem like totally new to the whole business. When you think you're ready to start doing paid work and you have a decent following and people engaging with your tweets, go ahead and start at a low price of around $5. So you can price your stuff however you want. I just recommend starting low prices and then you can move up from there. So I did a little design business and I made a Twitter, and the first 3 days I started it, I did free work, and then I built a decent following. So then I started to do some paid work, and I went ahead and made $10 in one day. I know it's not anything special, but $10 in one day for like a pretty new designer is pretty good. So I made 2 sales. I did a logo, which I put up on screen, and then I did a whole revamp plus logo, which I also put up on screen. So I did these for $5 each, and they were pretty good, and the clients were really happy with them, and they said they would hit me up for more work, which is really good. Also, you guys want to make sure when you post your tweet, or when you tweet out your work, or when you share your work with your followers, that you display your graphics in a professional way. So I'll throw up a picture on the screen of how I display my graphics. You can see that I put my graphic that I did over a background. Usually I'll just scale up the picture of the graphic I did and then add a blur to it, and then I'll put my logo above it and below it, and then I'll make it look really professional so people know it's mine and it looks good. You guys can use any like social media platform you want. I recommend either Twitter or Instagram. Those are the 2 that you're gonna make the most sales on. I personally use Twitter because I don't think Instagram is that great, but you can use Instagram if you want to, but I think it's still a lot harder to get sales on. Also, the way to like contact people that will pay is to go on Twitter and search up, like in the search bar, like I need a banner or I need graphics, and then press enter. Go to latest, and you'll see people saying that, like, oh, I need a banner, I need a header for Twitter, or like I'll pay for a banner or something, and just reply to them or DM them and say, oh, I can do this really cheap. Show them your work, and that's a good way to get sales too. A lot of designers do that, so it's a pretty competitive way to get sales, but if you can go ahead and convince someone to buy from you, that's really good on your part. So I'll probably do a follow-up video to this whole tutorial, but if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll try to cover as many of them as I can. Also, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like, and maybe even share with your friends. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.